Hello. Need to renew your Importer-Exporter Code, IEC? At Filings Corner, we provide expert IEC renewal services, ensuring that your business remains compliant with DGFT, Directorate General of Foreign Trade regulations, and continues seamless international trade. Why is IEC renewal necessary? Here's why IEC renewal is crucial for your business. Avoid penalties. Prevent suspension and legal fines for non-renewal. Ensure business continuity. Keep import-export operations uninterrupted. Stay DGFT compliant. Fulfill mandatory trade regulations. Update business information. Ensure correct address, GSTIN, and ownership details. Secure global trade opportunities with an active IEC renewal process with Filings Corner. Our IEC renewal process is smooth and hassle-free. 1. Consultation and eligibility check. Review your business status and IEC validity. 2. Document collection and verification. Gather PAN, GSTIN, bank details, and business proof. 3. Online application submission. File the renewal request on the DGFT portal. 4. Verification and approval. Track DGFT review and resolve any discrepancies. 5. IEC renewal confirmation. Receive your updated IEC certification. 6. Post-renewal compliance. Get ongoing support for trade compliance. Hassle-free IEC renewal. Fully managed by our experts. Documents required for IEC renewal. Here's a list of documents needed for IEC renewal. PAN card, business individual, Aadhaar card, passport, identity proof, GSTIN, if applicable, business address proof, utility bill, rental agreement, bank account details, verification, previous IEC details, if applicable, certificate of incorporation for companies. Need help collecting documents? We ensure complete accuracy and compliance. Timeline and cost of IEC renewal. Processing time. Typically 3 to 7 business days. Depends on DGFT approvals. Cost includes government fees, documentation, expert filing, and compliance check. Multiple package options are available for individuals and enterprises. Compliance and post-renewal support. Post-renewal, we continue to support your business with seamless customs clearance, ensure error-free import-export documentation, legal compliance with DGFT, stay updated with regulatory changes, international trade advisory, get guidance for customs, trade laws, and licenses, GST and tax compliance. Align IEC details with GST and financial records. Keep your global business running smoothly with our compliance expertise. Why choose Filings Corner? At Filings Corner, we offer experienced CAs, CSs, and trade experts, reliable IEC renewal and compliance services, end-to-end process handling. From application to approval, we manage everything. Error-free documentation and filing. No rejections, no delays. Fast and transparent processing. Timely submission and tracking. Affordable pricing. Competitive fees with no hidden charges. Call to action. Empowering close. Renew your IEC today or visit filingscorner.com for seamless renewal services. Filings Corner. Making global trade compliance smooth and efficient.